Hello, how you doing? Gonna make a lovely chicken curry today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one chicken, a whole chicken. This is a 1 kg chicken, which is 2.2 pound. I'm gonna cut that up into about 8 pieces. We're gonna get it in a bowl and we're gonna add some seasoning. So these are all 1 teaspoon each. We're gonna go salt, pepper, chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, and turmeric. We're also going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. We're going to get that in there. The oil that you use is entirely up to you. Give that a mix. Let's get over to the cooker. So in my pan, I'm adding some more oil. This time I'm using a coconut oil here, about a heaped tablespoon. I'm gonna melt that down. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. By the way, we're on a slightly above medium heat. We're gonna spin them around for a few seconds. Then we're gonna add 1 cup of onion. So let those onions go for about 4 to 5 minutes, just so they kind of soften slightly. Then I'm gonna add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and then some fresh chili, green chili. The amount is entirely up to you. Give that a little spin and let's now introduce our chicken. We're gonna pop that chicken in, and again on this slightly above medium heat, we're gonna go for 8 minutes. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of fresh tomatoes. Going to pop them in. We're going to cook this again for 5 or 6 minutes. Stir often. And what we want is to get some moisture from the tomatoes so they break down. Depending on the types of tomatoes you've got, you might get a lot or a little bit of moisture. I've got quite a bit, but I'm still gonna add about 1 cup of water. That goes in. I'm gonna stick a lid on that. We're gonna lower the heat just to below a medium, and we're now gonna go for 6 or 7 minutes. So we've now got a beautiful masala or gravy there. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take all of the chicken out just for a moment, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna smooth out this sauce. So with the chicken set to one side, I'm gonna add 200 ml of coconut milk. I'm gonna go in with my hand blender, give it a little whiz up there and smooth it out so it's delicious. I'm now gonna reintroduce the chicken, get that back in, stay on this just below medium heat, let it go for about another 5 minutes, stir every now and then. I'm just going to add a little bit more salt in there. Get in there and taste it and see what you think. Also, I'm going to add a couple of pinches of garam masala powder, which is a beautiful finishing spice. Normally, I would be adding some fresh cilantro or coriander, as some of you call it, but today I'm adding fresh mint, which is absolutely delicious. So let's get that in, give it a stir. You've only gone and done it. Fantastic. Serve that with some rice or with some roti or naan bread, something like that, entirely up to you. I hope you enjoy that. You keep safe, you keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.